Is that what the one I ripped? What we need is that thick solder for like
power lines.
yeah.
I put that on backwards, didn't I? Figured that out. This is the right mounting.
Do we need them?
We gotta have 6 horns on a car this small, you know?
You got 3 wipers.
Oh, look, the turbos are
And 6 horns. Well, what I think is we're gonna have to test them and see how they sound. Gotta pick out one of these, and Jacob, you gotta restore one of them.
Dumb question. What are these?
The solenoids.
For what?
You know what a solenoid is?
I mean, there's different types of solenoids.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, well, this is a
What are we solenoiding?
starter.
The starter, okay. I think this is the one right here we want.
See, this goes like this goes down to the starter motor, and this goes to the battery. This is the positive battery cable right here. Oh, other way around, sorry. This goes to the starter, this has the battery cable, right? This provides power to run things in the car.
I like that one.
And then when you put power here, it jumps across and makes the starter turn.
Yeah.
With rubber,
Yes.
need enough to mount the whole thing, both ends, with that stuff.
Okay.
Come back on here
Yep. Put a new one on there.
and put a new one on there.
Yep. Now clean this up.
Okay, that goes right here. It goes on this thing.
We're gonna need the parts, guys.
That. And then this, yeah, see, that's set up just right. This goes down to there. See if I can find that part.
Oh, what did we decide? What we need is that thick solder.
It's ugly, but I think it's better.
Yeah.
I put that on backwards, didn't I? What did we come up with for a battery cable on that?
I got 3 of them over here.
Anything that is acceptable?
Chaz acceptable? I don't know.
No. We got 3 reds.
The clamp kind of
I
sucks.
gotta decide if we want to use that.
No, that's ugly.
Pretty nasty, huh?
How does this go? Like that?
Yes.
This cap is gonna be, or is that okay? We're just gonna zip tie or something. Or is this where it wants to go? No,
No, it can float.
just floats. Okay.
It does look like the bends are wrong, doesn't it?
It does. Am I putting it on backwards? Maybe.
No.
Because that cap.
And then this gets bent to reach. You know what I mean? So this is out like that more. I think it'll look good.
Okay. Well, that goes.
You got a crummy old looking cable, right? You want to make it look like it's new. So what you do is you straighten it. Not quite.
You got it?
Yeah. I need this. This.
This. That's very nice.
I can't put this boot on. It's like turned into plastic and it won't. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, dang it.
Yes.
Pretty nice, huh?
Mm-hmm. Like new.
Is that big enough? Maybe not. Okay.
No.
It's 3 in 1, including this.
No way.
Got
Wow.
that. You know what this one's for?
No.
Pulling them off
Oh, from the battery?
from the
Why
battery.
can't you just pull it by hand? Yeah, sometimes they get stuck.
And then this is for tightening these nuts when they're
Stripped.
corroded or whatever. Does that go on the plus?
Yeah.
Oh, did you do this first?
No, but I'm kind of.
I didn't. It doesn't have to go clear. Not really, huh?
No.
What about this?
What is that?
I don't know.
This matches this.
Some junk that I got from somewhere, you know.
So you want that on there instead?
Well,
No, that's a negative thing.
well,
Put
I can expand that. I just showed you the tool for it.
So this knob.
Can be thrown away.
No.
Why?
Or you're going to use that for the bolt?
Yeah. Right?
Of course.
Well, then we'll cut that other mess off. No, we're not using that thing. Well, we might have to, you're saying, because we need the brass? This has got to go around like that, right?
It's got it on. Yeah.
Just, what's with this?
I don't know.
Yeah, here you go.
It's gonna be the shift knob.
Yeah.
Right there, yeah.
Wow, that sucker's really small. Yeah, like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
It just looks like it's upside down.
Well, try it the other
That
way
looks
then.
upside down to you?
Uh-huh.
Worse yet.
Yeah.
Never mind. Once you know it. it to you already.
No, you didn't.
And the good bolts.
Probably tossed it.
Okay.
All I have is this old stuff.
There,
That's it?
that's all your good stuff right there.
Really? Fine. Oh yeah. How's that?
Cables.
Yes.
I've been looking forward to a chance to pull them out. Okay. Now, pair of horns here.
Is it like those two repair, or?
You know what I think? I think that one goes with that one, and this one goes with that one.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't that look that way?
Yeah. These
It's a lot of
look
horns
better.
for a small car.
'Cause, like,
Maybe try these pair? This pair?
yes, yeah.
Okay.
I'm not hearing any horns.
I don't hear anything, do you?
No.
How does the horn even work? I don't even understand how it makes a noise.
You put electricity in them and they make noise.
There's like a thin piece of metal, it just vibrates.
Oh, how does it work in there?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, it is somewhat mysterious. But this is a coil, and it makes a thing going.
maybe it's just out of horn fluid.
Maybe motor power.
Yeah, it just lit up.
Yeah.
Oh, it did. Oh, okay. All right. So now if we put this on here and we go to right there,
Power.
we have power. Okay. So let's go look at it the other way. Okay, that's power. And of
Oh,
course-
I know what the deal is.
well, we just proved the ground,
Is this plastic here?
but we just proved the ground right here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I think we did. If it doesn't work like that, what if it works like this? Right? That would be the other choice, wouldn't it?
Make sure you're touching where the wire is. See how these cables are
okay,
trying to keep
yeah, you're right.
Ooh.
Okay, now that's beat. So let's take its mate, which is this one. Let's see if we got a different.
Ready?
Slightly different, I think.
Sound about the same, didn't
I
they?
did, yeah.
All right, let's try another one. That's lower, isn't it?
Yeah. Very low. I feel like Chaz doesn't like these jumper gears. He's not fun.
I'll just hold it.
It's the same as this. Why is it such a bad connection? Yeah, that's the same as that.
What a dud. Let's just use these two. Okay? See these two?
Just like that? Like this?
No.
Oh, on the sides like that?
Except now, you got mine. Are we going to use this slightly damaged one
Oh, that's the one you ripped. I mean,
and just put the other
I
thing
can
on?
order a new one. We'll just see what else we need. I'll just order a new one. And I'll try not to rip the new one, I guess.
Yeah, I won't let you. This. I'm getting a wrench so I can work on
that's
it.
good.
But anyway,
I guess they make a sound and it goes through the grill. Yeah,
I don't know.
we'll see. We'll look at the wire and wherever it's at.
We'll see.